Today I am going to explain about data types in PHP. There are 4 data types that are used in PHP. They are integer type, double type, boolean type and string type. These are the 4 types that are used in PHP. First one is integer data type. It is used for displaying integer values. This integer data type is used for displaying integer values. See the example, $x is equal 5. This 5 is integer value. It is similar to long data type in C. See the integer type in PHP is similar to long data type in C. Its size is 32-bit. Next one is double data type. Double data type is used for displaying real values. See the example, $x is equal 10.53. See this point represent double data type. It includes the numbers with decimal point, exponent, exponential or both. See this double data type includes the number with decimal point or exponent or combination of both decimal or exponent. See the exponent is represented by symbol e or followed by integer value. See this exponent is represented by e followed by integer value. See it is not compulsory to have digits before and after decimal point. See for example there is, see this example, $x is called 10.53. It is not necessary to have digit before and after decimal point. See we can also write like this, dot 123 or 123 dot. See we need not to have numbers before and after decimal point. Next one is boolean type. There are 2 types of values that can be defined by boolean type. They are true and next one is false. These are the 2 values that are defined in boolean type. True is represented as 1 and whereas false is represented as 0. See $x is equal true. Next one, $x is equal false. This is syntax of boolean type. If boolean values are used in context of double type, then false is represented as 0.0 and true is represented as 1.1. See in boolean we have to include point. In same way, if boolean values are used in context of double data type, then false is represented as 0.0 and whereas true is represented as 1.1. Next one is string type. There is no character data type in PHP. If character has to be represented, then it is represented using string data type. See whereas in C programming we have character data type, but whereas in PHP we don't have character data type. So if we want to represent character data type, then it is represented using the string data type. String is nothing but collection of characters. In PHP, string is denoted by double quote. So string is denoted by double quote. Concatenation is only operator used in string. See the simple PHP script that stores a string in a variable. See this example. Less than question mark PHP we have to include in starting, and whereas question mark greater than at ending. See $s is equal to I like PHP. This I like PHP is string. It is denoted by double quote both at starting and ending of the character. See $s is equal to I like PHP. This echo $s. See by this echo $s, it is going to take value of $s, that is I like PHP. So that output is I like PHP. This echo $s is going to take the value of $s, that is I like PHP, so that output is I like PHP. See, the following are the various functions used for string handling. See these string handling functions. First one, string length of string 1, strlen of string 1. This command is used to find length of the string. See, string len of string 1. This function is used to find the length of the string. Next one is string CMP. CMP stands for compare. String compare of string 1 comma string 2. It is used to, this function is used to compare string 1 and string 2. Next one, string to lower of string 1. This function is used to convert characters in string 1 to lowercase. See, for example, $s is equal to HI, so capital HI. So by using this command, this capital letter is going to convert into the lowercase, that is HI, like this. Similarly, string to upper of string 1. This function is used to convert characters in string 1 to uppercase. See, for example, there is character Raju, it is in lowercase, it is going to be converted into uppercase, like this. Next one is trim string 1. This function eliminates the white spaces from both ends of the string. See, for example, there is a space between string, this is white space. By using trim of string 1, this function eliminates the white space, so that this function eliminates the white space. See, like this. Thank you. Friends, I have provided complete PHP tutorials in the below description. You can watch from there.